Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to do cuttings, make your own beautiful rosemary bushes. Two bushes you see here I made from cuttings I bought at the local supermarket's herbs department. These were actually in the fridge, and yeah, this proves that you can do it. Okay, what we will do is we will start off by clearing about a third of the bush or the cutting that we have, like that. And, what you're also going to need is some honey. This is my gardening bottle of honey that I use for my cuts, pure honey. There you can see there's some ants that got into it, so it's not for human consumption. You are going to need a container into which you plant your cuttings. I've made these little bottle tops that fits nicely over my container, and then you're also going to need some rooting powder. I'm using the Dino Root made by Stark Airs in South Africa. I'm using the number 2. I found that this one is working the best for my purposes. Okay, now that we've done the 2 cutting, you can see it's about a third, just over a third that I've cleared. These are soft branches, so you can just take your finger and just clear the bark away. About centimeter and a half, I clear the bark away. This is just a method that I do, and it has worked well on pomegranate tree, fig tree. I've made cuttings from that too, and I will do videos later on to show you exactly how I did this. Okay, once it's cleared, I take my honey and my container that I want to use and my rooting powder, and I will just roll that piece that I've cleared, where I've taken the bark off. I just roll that into the honey. It's like an antiseptic agent that the honey causes, so this to protect this piece, and honey is also a good rooting agent. So then I put it into the rooting powder. You can see the rooting powder sticks in quite nicely to the honey and that piece, and it's covered the complete area that I have cleared. Put that into the soil, tighten it up. Other one, into the rooting powder. You can see some nice rooting powder onto it. Then into the soil. The soil has been pre-watered, wet container. I just use normal gardening soil, nothing special at this stage. What I will do now is take one of my special caps and I will put it over and fit it in nicely, tight, and it will make like a little greenhouse for our rosemary. We will get back to this in about 2 weeks, and I'll show you how it goes.